Sometimes you get given numbers here, 0.7. Anything on the left-hand side is the whole numbers, anything on the right after the decimal point are the bits, not enough to make a whole. If you get asked which number is in the middle, like right in the middle between 0.7 and 0.9, think of 7 and 9, what's the number right in the middle? It would be 8. So 0.7, 0.9, it must be 0.8. It's right in the middle. What about if you get asked what number comes between 0.8 and 0.9? What do you do then? Any idea? Pause the video, see if you can figure it out. I said pause it, don't let it run. I'm not going to give you the answer just yet. You paused it, great. What's your answer? Oh, yeah, oh, no, really? Okay, so what we do here, in this case, to help you, we put in, perhaps, placeholder of 0. So now, instead of having 8 tenths, or 0.8 and 0.9, we've got 0.80, which is 80 hundredths. 0.9 is the sort of same as 0.90. 9 tenths is the same as 90 hundredths. It's just the size of the pizza. It's been sliced into smaller bits. Okay, it's going to be the same amount, but just being sliced into smaller bits. So now, if we look at this, which number comes between 0.80 and 0.90? In that sense, it would be 0.85. 0.85. It's a bit like just hiding the zeros, and we're looking at these ones here. So that's how you find those middle ones. So it's going to make that just a little bit bigger. 0.8. So if you get asked what is in the middle, or what is halfway between 0.8 and 0.9, you talking about having these placeholders, it would be 0.85. But what happens if you get asked what is in the middle between 0.85 and 0.9? Again, you would probably add some placeholders on here. Okay, got the same here. Still a little bit hard, not sure. Just add another 0. So now we're sort of saying 0.85. 0. And this one over here, 0.900. In which case, we're now dealing with thousandths. 0.850 is the same as saying 850 thousandths. This one's saying 900 thousandths. So which, I just, again, took away that decimal and the 0, which is the whole numbers. You would probably recognise in between 850 and 900 what you would do. Any idea? Well, there's a jump of 50. So 900 minus 850 would leave 50. So what's half of 50? 25. So you could add 25 onto this one. Or you could minus from this one. And they would meet in the middle. What would that answer be? I'm not going to tell you. See what you think it is. So that's how you find in the middle or halfway between. Okay, you add a placeholder, just helps you find the middle. And you can use those reasons. Use the vocabulary as well. No problem.